Science drives our day-to-day operations. Everything that we do is backed up by scientific data. For example, we have a series of laboratory personnel that are dedicated to putting out a variety of different traps throughout the 110 square miles that we provide service to.
As a district, we have limited resources, limited amount of dollars, and so we really need to best allocate our resources to the areas that are going to be the greatest risk to the community. And by using traps and having a good surveillance program, we can best use our resources to hit the areas that are going to be the greatest impact on the health of our community. So the traps are set out in the afternoons and then they're collected the next day. And it's during the dusk and dawn when mosquitoes are most active that the traps collect the mosquitoes. And those traps are then picked up by our technicians and brought back to the lab. The mosquitoes are then knocked out and then they're counted, and then we sort them to the different numbers of species that there are. Not all species are able to transmit West Nile virus. Not all species are a big nuisance to people. So we want to know not only how many mosquitoes, but specifically what type of mosquitoes are at each location. Once we have the mosquitoes sorted and counted, then we take mosquitoes that could potentially carry viruses and process those to be tested at our state public health labs. But once we find a sample that has West Nile virus in it, then we put extra emphasis to control the mosquitoes around that area.